Imagine you're working with a project which requires you to use sound segment display. In order to use the sound segment display, we have to connect 7 GPIO pins of the microcontroller. And in most of the cases, we need more than one sound segment display to print our result. It doesn't mean we have to connect 7 GPIO pins to each segment. Instead, we use a powerful concept that is multiplexing. And this multiplexing reduces the number of GPIO pins required to display something useful on a sound segment display. But today in this video, I'll show how you can further reduce the required number of GPIO pins with the help of SoundForLS48IC, which is a BCD to sound segment decoder. Let's get started. What is multiplexing? There are several types of multiplexing. This is an example for time division multiplexing. In a time division multiplexing, we send information one at a time. I am trying to display 19.02 volt. First, I will send data 1 to segment 1 and I will send data 9 to segment 2 while keeping other segments turned off. Similarly, I'll display 0 and 2. If you make this sketch run a bit faster, approximately 30 cycles per second, there won't be a flickering effect. Actually, our human eyes cannot detect this flickering effect, but still some modern cameras can detect because some of the cameras uses 60 frames per second and 120 frames per second. But still, cameras which works under 30 frames per second, everything will be fine. In my previous video, I used ZMPT module to measure AC voltage, and today in this video, I'll measure DC voltage and print it on a sound segment display. Programming part is simple, but I used port commands instead of using digital write function. So it looks a bit complicated, but everything fine, it's easy only. You have to just go through it. And before making this circuit on a PCB, I made a simulation on Proteus, which works totally fine. If you're planning to replicate this project, I recommend you to follow this schematic diagram, which is given in the description, because I made wiring for this SoundForLS48 according to this data sheet. We have to send binary data to SoundForLS48IC, and you can always refer datasheet for more information. Multiplexing doesn't mean you just connect hundreds of sound segment display. There's something called propagation delay, which adds a limitation for this process. You have to refer the datasheet if you're planning to use more number of displays with this single IC. Follow my Instagram page and subscribe to my YouTube channel to make such videos coming.